Hi guys, English shorten, parliamentary debate passage 80 words per minute. First I will dictate some difficult words and phrases, then take a dictation. Okay, start. Ministry of Law and Justice. Feedback. Feedback. Strength and carrying out the ministerial as many has at length. I would like to assure thee in that direction. Deliberations, queries and suggestions. Department of Legal Affairs, Legislative Department, Litigation, Election Related, Judiciary, Infrastructure, looks after the as far as. Okay guys, practice these words 2 lines, then take a dictation. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, Sir, issues raised during the discussion on the working of Ministry of Law and Justice have given me some good feedback, and certainly I hope that it will strengthen me in carrying out the functions of my ministerial works. As many as 19 members have participated in the discussion. The issues were discussed at length. I thank all the members for their valuable suggestions, and certainly I would like to assure the members who participated in the discussions that their views would be taken into consideration whenever a situation comes up in that direction. Certainly, we will take up the issue while considering the suggestions given by the members who participated in the deliberations. Before I go into the details for replying to the queries and suggestions given by the honorable members, I would like to place on record the working of the Ministry of Law and Justice after this new government has taken over charge. Sir, the Ministry of Law and Justice has three departments, namely Department of Legal Affairs, the Legislative Department, and the Department of Justice. The Department of Legal Affairs mainly handles the work of providing legal opinion and legal advice to various departments, appointing law officers, conducting government litigation and matters related to the Law Commission of India. The Legislative Department deals with the drafting and writing of various laws, enactments, and rules being framed by various departments. Apart from looking into the election related matters, the Department of Justice looks after the matters relating to the judiciary, ranging from appointment and service conditions of justice, infrastructure for the Supreme Court and High Courts, to judicial reforms and legal aid to the poor. However, I would like to inform this august House that the issues relating to investigation and prosecution of cases, issues relating to under trials, and issues relating to jail management are often linked with the law department, but this department has no role to play as far as those issues are concerned, except whenever the bail matters come before the court. Only the Department of Law and Justice will look into the matter. Rest of the matters are concerned with various departments, because Home Department is the main department which looks after all other things. A national litigation policy has been already formulated. My friend knows very well that the Law Commission of India has given a report, the 251st report, wherein it has stated that a national litigation policy is very important, because there are so many previous litigations. Stop.